This is just a quick video to explain how you can make money every day online for free in 2021. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified of every new video that I upload. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to a website called fiverr.com. Then you need to go to apply to become a seller. So basically, you would be selling your services, which would be removing backgrounds from images, on this platform. If you search for remove backgrounds from images, you will see there are some sellers on there which will remove a background from an image for 79 Rand. You will be amazed how many people do not know about this simple app I'm about to show you. So once you've opened up your free account and you've enlisted as a seller, you will start getting orders from customers. The platform is really safe. The customer pays Fiverr. Fiverr holds onto the money, so you know you'll get paid. The customer will then send you the image. You'll simply download the image to your laptop PC. I'm not sure if this works on a phone, but when you have the image, you would go to a site called remove.bg/upload. You can either click on the upload image and search for the file on your computer, or you can open up the file. All that you need to do is click on the file, hold your mouse button in, drag it into the screen, leave it, and you just wait for it to upload, and it will automatically, like magic, remove the background. There, the background is removed. Now you simply download the image, you send it to the customer, and Fiverr sends the money to your account. As simple as that. I hope this explains. Remember to like and follow, subscribe. You would see in the description of this video, I have left a link to my favorite way of possibly making 15,000 Rand per day.